Happy Monday, everybody. Happy Monday, everyone. I hope you're as excited about today as I am. It is Star Wars Day. So, while we get started and wait and see if a couple more people are gonna join us, I've got a couple of Star Wars jokes for you. So, the first one is, why did Anakin cross the road? To get to the dark side, of course. What do you call Chewbacca when he gets chocolate in his fur? A chocolate chip Wookie. What side of an Ewok has the most hair? The outside. Which Star Wars character works at a restaurant? Darth Vader. Huh. I hope you all are having a great Monday. Thank you for joining me on Magic Mondays with Jess. Today's episode is going to be about a wand illusion I'm going to teach you. So, I am a pretty big Harry Potter fan. In doing so, I have read all the books, I have all sorts of fun memorabilia and activities, and something that I actually have is a wand illusion kit for Harry Potter. But I realized that the kit is a little bit more complicated than most people would have at their home for everything that they'd have at their home. So I'm going to show you how to accomplish the illusion today with things that you can easily find in your house. So you can see I've got a few things in front of me here. I have my wand. I've got some tape. I've got floss and thread and a feather and some scissors. Now if you're going to do this, if you choose to use thread instead of floss and you need scissors, definitely ask a grown-up's permission before you grab scissors. We don't want you to accidentally cut something you're not supposed to cut. So you can easily do all of this at home if you have a stick. You can find a feather, or it works just as easily with a leaf. I do recommend using thread because it is thinner and it will make the illusion look better. Or if your parents have fishing line, that'll work too because that will look extra invisible. So we're going to get started on that today. So you're going to start by taking your wand, and I'm going to use thread. So I'm going to get a little bit of thread, and we're going to cut that off. Oops. Oh my, it's the forceful thread. There we go. All right, and we're going to take a piece of tape, and we're going to tape it onto one end of the thread. And then you're going to take the end that you have tape on, and you're going to put it down where you would hold your wand so that way it can't be seen. Alright, once you've got that taped on there, you're going to take the other end of the thread, and you're going to take your feather as well. And if you use a leaf or a feather, you would want to use the underside, so the side that doesn't look all fluffy on top. And the same with a leaf. Leaves have a little bit of a poof to them on the upper side, so you want to use that underside as well. Okay. And once you've got that taped on there, you can see that they're connected. Whoops, sorry guys. The magic was strong, or the force is strong with this one. Alright. Once you've done that, you're ready to do your little illusion. So, you'll say the magic words, which are Wingardium Leviosa. And just astound your friends and family with your magic. Look, you don't even have to look at it. You're just making that feather fly. That's pretty cool if you ask me. Now, something I really enjoy doing with this, too, is when you spin around in the living room. You look extra magical. something that I would highly recommend with your friends and family. So right now that we are at the end of our little activity, why don't you go and ask mom and dad if they can help you gather up these things. Again, it's super easy. You can use a pencil or a stick, or if you already have a wand like I did, even better. Fishing line, thread, or floss will work, and some tape or a feather and a leaf, one or the other. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below. And we'll be happy to see your guys' pictures. We'd love for you to share those with us. And in the meantime, continue on your quest for knowledge, and may the force be with you. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you had a lot of fun, and I hope you go out there practicing your magic. Magic! Bye, everybody!